The human body, a complex marvel of biological engineering, is a subject that fascinates and intrigues. It's a symphony of cells, tissues, organs, and systems working in harmony to sustain life. Every breath, every heartbeat, and every movement is a testament to its intricacy. Let's embark on a journey through this incredible structure, understanding its basic building blocks and the systems that keep it running. At the most fundamental level, the cell is the basic unit of life. Each cell is a powerhouse, performing vital functions that contribute to the body's overall well-being. Cells combine to form tissues, which are groups of similar cells carrying out specific tasks. There are 4 primary tissue types: epithelial, connective, muscle, and nervous tissues, each with a unique role. From tissues, we step up to organs. These are structures composed of multiple tissue types, working together to perform complex functions. For example, the heart, made of muscle and connective tissues, pumps blood throughout the body. Organs don't work in isolation. They are part of larger systems, each with a specific function. The integration of organs into systems reflects the body's need for coordination and efficiency in maintaining homeostasis and responding to the environment. The human body comprises several systems, each crucial to our survival and well-being. The circulatory system, with the heart as its core, pumps blood to deliver oxygen and nutrients to every cell. The respiratory system, centered around the lungs, allows us to breathe in oxygen and expel carbon dioxide. The digestive system breaks down food into energy and nutrients, while the excretory system removes waste products. The nervous system, with the brain at the helm, processes information and coordinates responses. The skeletal system provides structure and support, while the muscular system facilitates movement. The endocrine system, through a network of glands, releases hormones that regulate various body functions. The immune system defends against disease and infection, and the reproductive system ensures the continuation of our species. Each system is a cog in the larger machine of the body, indispensable and intricately connected. In summary, the human body is an awe-inspiring ensemble of cells, tissues, organs, and systems. Each component plays a critical role, and together, they weave the tapestry of life. Understanding the body's architecture and functions not only satisfies curiosity, but also empowers us to take better care of ourselves. The circulatory system is a vast network of organs and vessels that is responsible for the flow of blood, nutrients, hormones, oxygen, and other gases to and from cells. Without the circulatory system, the body would not be able to fight disease or maintain a stable internal environment, such as proper temperature and pH, known as homeostasis. The primary function of the circulatory system is to deliver oxygen and nutrients to all the cells in the body. It carries life-sustaining substances to the tissues and removes waste products like carbon dioxide and toxins. Moreover, it plays a crucial role in maintaining the body's pH balance and temperature, transporting hormones, and protecting the body through white blood cells and clotting mechanisms. This system is also instrumental in stabilizing blood pressure and directing blood flow to parts of the body that need it most during strenuous activity. The circulatory system is composed of the heart, blood vessels, and blood. The heart acts as the pump, while the blood vessels, arteries, veins, and capillaries, are the channels through which blood flows. The blood itself is made up of red blood cells, white blood cells, platelets, and plasma. Each component plays a distinct role, with red blood cells carrying oxygen, white blood cells fighting infection, platelets aiding in clotting, and plasma transporting nutrients. At the center of the circulatory system is the heart, a muscular organ about the size of a fist. Located in the chest between the lungs, the heart is divided into 4 chambers: the left and right atria, and the left and right ventricles. It functions tirelessly, beating an average of 100,000 times a day to pump blood throughout the body. The heart's rhythmic contractions are coordinated by an electrical conduction system that ensures blood is pumped efficiently. The heart's main function is to pump blood throughout the body, supplying oxygen and nutrients to tissues, and removing waste products. The right side of the heart receives deoxygenated blood from the body and pumps it to the lungs for oxygenation. The left side receives oxygen-rich blood from the lungs and pumps it to the rest of the body. This dual circulatory system ensures a constant supply of oxygen and nutrients to meet the body's demands, making the heart indispensable to our survival and well-being. Our body is an intricate network of highways, not for cars, but for blood. These highways are known as blood vessels. They are essential for transporting blood throughout the body, ensuring that every cell gets the oxygen and nutrients it needs to thrive. There are three main types of blood vessels: arteries, veins, and capillaries. Each plays a unique role in the circulatory system. Arteries are the blood vessels that carry oxygen-rich blood away from the heart. They are like the express lanes of our circulatory system, delivering blood at high pressure. This is why their walls are thick and elastic, to withstand and maintain this pressure. As arteries branch further from the heart, they become smaller, eventually leading to arterioles and then to the capillary networks. In contrast, veins are the return routes for blood. They carry deoxygenated blood back to the heart. Veins work under much lower pressure and have valves that prevent blood from flowing backward. These vessels are less muscular than arteries, but have a larger diameter to facilitate the smooth flow of blood. Veins can often be seen just under the skin, especially in the arms and legs. Capillaries are the smallest blood vessels in our body. They connect arteries to veins and are the sites for the exchange of oxygen, carbon dioxide, nutrients, and waste products between blood and the body's tissues. Their walls are only 1 cell thick, which allows for this exchange to occur efficiently. The extensive network of capillaries is where the real work of the circulatory system takes place. While arteries, veins, and capillaries all serve the purpose of transporting blood, they have distinct differences. Arteries carry blood away from the heart under high pressure, which is why their walls are thick and strong. Veins return blood to the heart at a lower pressure and have valves to prevent backflow. Capillaries, being the smallest, are where the exchange of gases and nutrients occurs. Together, these vessels form a closed-loop system that is vital for our survival, each with its own critical role in keeping us alive and well. Blood, a vital fluid, flows through our veins and arteries, sustaining life. It's more than just red liquid. It's a complex mixture of cells, platelets, and plasma. Each component has a unique and critical role in our body's function. Let's dive into the fascinating world of blood and discover the functions of its various components. Red blood cells, or RBCs, are the most abundant cells in our blood. They have a distinctive disc shape and are responsible for carrying oxygen from the lungs to the body's tissues. They also transport carbon dioxide back to the lungs for exhalation. RBCs contain hemoglobin, a protein that binds oxygen. Without RBCs, our tissues would starve from a lack of oxygen and our bodies would fail to function properly. White blood cells, or WBCs, are the defenders of our body. They are fewer in number than RBCs, but are crucial for our immune system. WBCs identify and destroy invading pathogens like bacteria and viruses. They also play a role in the inflammatory process, which is essential for healing. Some WBCs produce antibodies, while others directly attack foreign substances. They are our body's military, constantly on guard to protect us. Platelets, tiny cell fragments, are the emergency responders when injury occurs. They gather at the site of a wound and work to form clots to stop bleeding. Platelets release chemicals that signal other cells and substances to join the clotting process. They are essential for preventing blood loss and initiating repair. Without platelets, even minor injuries could be life-threatening due to excessive bleeding. Plasma, the liquid portion of blood, makes up about 55% of its total volume. It's a straw-colored fluid that carries nutrients, hormones, and proteins throughout the body. Plasma also transports waste products to the liver and kidneys for removal. It's composed mainly of water but also contains important substances like clotting factors and antibodies. Plasma serves as the medium for cells and platelets to travel in the circulatory system. Blood is the river of life within our bodies. It transports oxygen and nutrients to cells, removes waste, fights infections, and maintains a stable environment for all bodily functions. It regulates temperature and pH levels, ensuring that our body systems work in harmony. Blood's components work together seamlessly, illustrating the beauty of our body's design. It's a testament to the intricate balance necessary for health and life.